How to allow unknown sources safely on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily allow install from unknown sources on your Android device. First thing first, go over to settings. Once on settings, scroll down until you find apps. Tap on it. From apps, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then go to special access. From here, all you have to do is just go ahead and find the option install unknown apps, tap on it, and then here you'll see a list of apps where you're able to download from, and you can enable from any app that you want. Let's say if I want to allow install unknown apps from WhatsApp, I can just tap on it to allow, and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.